सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनि कात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to our 287th class today, Srinivas. And 1st of May, Mai Masasya, Mai May, May iti संस्कृत पदमपि अस्ति तत्र मे मम मे इति मे आंग्लभाषायां मे इति संस्कृते अस्मत् शब्दस्य षष्ठी एकवचने मम मे। सो मे मासस्य प्रथमदिनाङ्कः अद्य। ग्रीष्म ऋतुः ग्रीष्मकालः सम्प्राप्तः अस्ति हैदराबाद नगरे। So we are doing Shatru Pratyantas and a thorough study and exercises are going on. Several exercises are devoted for practicing and familiarizing yourself with the Shatru Pratyanta, and soon you will be followed by maybe Shanach also. So Srinivas, Prathama, Dvitiya, Shatru, Tritiya also we have come to. Shatru Pratyanta is derivable in all the 7 cases. Saptasu vibhaktishu Shatru Pratyanta bhavati. Atah vayam Tritiya paryantam Tritiya vibhaktim यावत् आगतवन्तः अभ्यासान् कुर्मः क्षम्यताम्। अत्र अभ्यास संख्या 93-तमः अभ्यासः गतकक्षायां कृतः आसीत्। अद्य अस्यैव अभ्यासस्य अभ्यास संख्या न परिवर्तते। 293 पुल्लिंगा वाक्यानि समाप्तानि, स्त्रीलिंग वाक्यानि अद्य करणीयानि सन्ति। Today we have to do the स्त्रीलिंगा in the same exercise abhyasa of 293. In the previous class we have done orally. It was very easy, so I said I need not write. We did not write also. So स्त्रीलिंगास as per the direction given here we will do. You can read Sinva yatha patat Prativ, the Mula Shabda. So Patantya Balikaya Patanti Bhyam Balika Bhyam Patanti Vihi Balika Vihi. This goes with that. Patantya Mahilaya Patanti Bhyam Mahila Bhyam Patanti Vihi Mahila Vihi, or whatever it is. So in Strilinga Shabda. So we go Likhat Likhantya. Same way like Patantya, Likhantya, Likhanti Bhyam, Likhanti Bihi, and Vadat, Vadantya, Vadanti Bihi. Vadantya means by one who is speaking. Likhantya by the one who is writing. Patantya by the one woman or lady or girl who is studying. Patantya Balikaya by a girl who is studying. So third, Gayat, Gayanti Bhyam, Gayanti Bhihi. Yes, Gayantya, Gayanti Bhyam by a woman or a girl who is singing. And the Kurvat, here Num, that Na does not come, Srinivas. So you have Kurvatya, Kurvati Bhyam. But here, there is a observation made by me in the answer book 293. Na? What happened? You have any doubt? Strilinga. This is Kurvatya, Kurvati Bhyam. Why is it wrote? Kurvatya, Kurva. There is a Rakara not printed. In the answer book, Kurva Ra, that Matra is not there in the answer book. So you can just on the analysis, Kurvatya, Kurvati Bhyam, Kurvati Vihi. We'll write this one, it doesn't matter. 5. Shrunvat, like we have done Kurvate Shrunvatya, same way. Shrunvatya, Shrunvati Bhyam, Shrunvati Vihi. यच्छत् यच्छन्त्या यच्छन्तीभ्यां यच्छन्तीभिः जानत् जानत्या जानत्या लाइक कुर्वती जानत्या जानतीभ्यां जानतीभिः स्मरत् स्मरन्त्या स्मरन्तीभ्यां स्मरन्तीभिः खादत् खादन्त्या खादन्तीभ्यां खादन्तीभिः. So only with the verbs like kurvat, shrunvat and janat you do not get num nakara.
Why in janat, sir?
Because they belong to different conjugation. Gana is changing. So as a result you kurvatya, shrunvatya, janatya, these three are to be separately observed. So kurvatya kurvati bhyam kurvati bihi, shrunvatya shrunvati bhyam shrunvati bihi, janatya janati bhyam janati bihi iti rupani bhavanti eteshu trishu kurvat janat shrunvat janatiti. Yatohi gana bhedah atra gana bhedah vartate, because the conjugation changes there. Napumsakani we will see, and then some we may write out. Srinivas. Patat. Now this is exactly like the Purlinga. If you take any Pumlinga which we did in the previous class, patata, gachata, anything, smarantya, smarata, likhata, etc. So then we take likhata, likhatbhyam, likhatbihi. वदता वदद्भ्याम वदद्भिः गायत गायता गायद्भ्याम गायद्भिः कुर्वता कुर्वद्भिः श्रृण्वता यस यच्छता यच्छद्भ्याम यच्छद्भिः जानता स्मरता चरद्भिः. Then khadata, I think these are very simple. Only everything is same. Likhata, vadata, gayata, kurvata, shrunvata, yachata, janata, smarata, khadata, and all the dvivachana, bahuvachana to be copied. Bhyam, vihi, etc. So likhata purushena balakena, by a person who is writing. Vadata purushena, by a person who is speaking. Gayata manushyena, by a person who is singing. That is the meaning we take. So only here I may write these three lingas. Kurvatya, only these two.
Write along with the next exercise.
Okay, no problem. Only three are there. Kurvatya, kurvati, bhyam, kurvati, bihi. And like that, shrunvata, shrunvati. So, abhyasaha चतुर्नवत्युत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः. Exercise number 294. यथोदाहरणं विशेषणभूतस्य शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तस्य रूपं लिखत. Now you write the adjectives ending in shatru suffix as shown in the example. For example, yatha patat becomes patata chatrena. Phalam vakya rupena atra vakyani dattani santi. उदाहरण वाक्यम एवं अस्ति. पठता छात्रेण फलं खाद्यते इति कर्मणि प्रयोगः अत्र अस्ति. कर्मणि वाक्यम, वाक्यस्य अर्थः सरलः एव. यदि वयं कर्तरि परिवर्तयामः एतद् वाक्यं पठन् छात्रः फलं खादति, पठन् छात्रः फलं खादति, पठता छात्रेण फलं खाद्यते इति. A fruit is eaten, Angla artha, a fruit is eaten by a student who is studying, by the student who is studying. Patatha chatrena phalam khadyate iti karmani prayoga. So you go one.
लिखता बालकेन चित्रं दृश्यते.
यदि कर्तरि भवति वाक्यं लिखन् बालकः चित्रं पश्यति, चित्रं पश्यति. A boy sees a picture while writing. So लिखता बालकेन, by a boy who is writing, Chitram drishyate. A film is seen. A film is seen by the boy who is writing likhata balakena. So it is now here it is, as the already remarked, likhata is like used like adjective for balena. Patata is used like adjective for chatrena. So that is what Visheshana bhutasya. That is why Visheshana bhutasya shatru pratyantasya rupam. Here shatru pratyanta, the active participle is become like an adjective Visheshana. Then third Srinivas, Srunvata purushena shabdaha kriyate. Vadata vruddhena nagaram gamyate. If you turn it into simple active voice, Vadan vruddhaha nagaram gacchati. So a man who is speaking goes to city. Here Vadata vruddhena nagaram gamyate. City, but gamyate is gone. You can say city is gone by an old man who is speaking. 3 Srinivas. Srunvata kriyate. Srunvan purushaha shabdam karoti. Iti kartari bhavati. In active voice it becomes Srunvan purushaha shabdam karoti iti. So what is the meaning here? Srunvata purushena shabdaha kriyate. Sound is made by a person who is listening. Sound is made, created by a person who is listening. Srunvata purushena. 4. Milata ramena pustakam diyate. So Milan Ramaha pustakam yachati. Milata ramena pustakam diyate. A book is given by Rama who is meeting. Rama who is meeting somebody. Milata ramena pustakam diyate. 5.
Smarat chatrena vakyam likhyate.
Smarata chatrena vakyam likhyate. A sentence is written. All are in passive voice here. Verbs are. Watch that. Sarvanyapi kriyapadani atra karmani prayoge prayuktani santi krupaya pashyantu savadhanam pashyantu. So atra vakyam kimasti smarata smaran chatraha. Yadi kartari smaran chatraha vakyam likati. Parantu atra smarata chatrena vakyam likhi. A sentence is written by a student who is remembering. Smarata. Answer. 6. Archat. Yes. Archan bhaktaha dhyanam karoti. Kartari karmani archata bhaktena dhyanam kriyate. Meditation is done, undertaken by a devotee who is worshipping. Archata bhaktena. Khadata pitra jalam piyate. Khadan pita jalam pibati. Active voice. Khadan pita jalam pibati. Khadata pitra jalam piyate. Water is drunk by father who is eating. Khadata pitra jalam piyate. Water is drunk by the father who is eating. Khadata pitra. Khadan pita jalam pibati iti sadharana kartari vakyam. 8. Nayat sevakena dhanam sthapyati. So Nayan sevakaha dhanam sthapayati. Nayata sevakena dhanam sthapyati. Money is put by a servant who is taking. Money is kept there by a servant who is taking. Nayata sevakena. 9th. Nindat. This is bhave prayoga purely. Nindan durjanaha tishtati. Nindan durjanaha tishtati. Iti kartari vakyam karmani nindata durjanena stiyate. Means it's same thing. Durjana, a wicked person stays who is abusing. A wicked person is there who is abusing. Nindata durjanena sthiyate. Dashama vakyam chalat.
Chalata panditena sutram
ratyate. A scholar who is moving and sutram, formula is remembered, is muttered ratyate, muttered, a formula is muttered by a scholar who is walking. While walking. So while walking, a scholar is remembering the sutra formula. Just like the famous, we quote na, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshate Dukrui Karane. That is the sutra. Sutra referring to Paninian Sutra, Dukrui Karane. So, Chalata Panditena Sutram Ratyati. So, we have seen here, we have also converted into active voice. I will sum up once fast. Likhata Balakena, Vadata Vruddhena, Srunvata Purushena, Milata Ramena, Smarata Chatrena, Archata Bhaktena, Khadata Pitra, Nayata Sevakena, Nindata Durjanena, Chalata Panditena. So all these nouns which are there, Chatrena down to Panditena, they are all in Tritiya Ekavachana, and the Shatrupatayanta is also coming in Tritiya like an adjective to the noun. That is what. And all these sentences, Etani Sarvanyapi Vakyani Karmani Prayoge Santi Smarantu Etesham Sarvesham Api Kartari Prayoga Asmabihi Idanim Krutaha Mukataha Krutaha, verbally done. So Anyam Abhyasam Agachati, Anyaha Abhyasa Agachati, Pancha Navatyuttara Dvishata Tamaha Abhyasaha, exercise number 295. Upayuktena Shatrupratayanta Rupena Rittasthanam. Now you fill up in the blanks with the correct forms of Shatrupratayanta. So this is very simple, Srinivas, writing Patata, Likata, they can do it. Meaning part is explained. So 295 1. No. Here Vidyarthinya is a noun in Strilinga. So you have done correctly. Not Patata, Patantya. I think all these are given in Strilingas. 8, how many are there? 8 or more. 8 only. So these Ashtavakyani Strilinge Santi. Strilinga Vakyani Santi. So Patantya Vidyarthinya Artaha Udyati. Patanti Vidyarthini Artam Vadati. Kartru Prayoge. Patanti Vidyarthini Artham Vadati. A girl student speaks out the meaning while reading. In passive voice, Patantya Vidyarthinya Artaha Udyati means meaning is told by a student, in bracket girl student, who is reading. Likhat dash Ramaya Supyati. This is Bhave Prayoga only, not Karmani, impersonal. If you turn it into active voice, Likhanti Rama Swapiti. Likhanti Rama Swapiti. Just remember Swapiti. Likhantya Ramaya Supyati means Rama sleeps while writing. Who is writing? Rama who is writing is sleeping. Rama who is writing is sleeping. Or Rama sleeps while writing. Then third one, Vadat
Vadantya Balikaya
Grihapataha. Homework is done. Where is Grihapata is? Homework is done by the girl who is speaking. Vadantya Balikaya Grihapataha Likhyati. Vadanti Balika Grihapatham Likati iti Kartari Prayoge Bhavati. Active voice would be Vadanti Balika Grihapatham Likati. Then fourth, Gayat
Gayantya
Sudhaya
Netre
Nimilyete. Gayantya Sudhaya. Sudha is the name of a girl here. Netre Nimilyete. Eyes are closed by Sudha who is singing. Gayantya Sudhaya Netre Nimilyete. Eyes are closed by Sudha who is singing. By the singing Sudha. 5.
Nrutyantya Nartakya
Manoharam. This is also bhave. Nrityanti nartaki manoharam hasati. The dancer, dancing dancer laughs beautifully. The dancing dancer laughs beautifully. But here, you can't translate this in bhave prayoga. It is laughed by the dancer. No. Dancer laughs only. Nrityantya nartakya manoharam hasyate iti vakyasya artah kevalam nrityanti nartaki manoharam hasati iti eva bhavati. You should understand it only in active voice and not try to translate into. Otherwise it becomes, it is laughed beautifully by the woman, by the dancer who is dancing. It is laughed beautifully by the dancer who is dancing. No. The dancing dancer laughs beautifully. 6. Pashyat.
Pashyantya sushilaya gitam giyate.
Okay, this can be easily. Pashyanti sushila gitam gayati. Active voice. Pashyantya sushilaya gitam giyate. A song is sung. A song is sung by Sushila who is seeing, who is watching. 7.
Yachantya mala phalam khadyate.
Yachantya mala matra. Yachantya matra phalam khadyate. Yachanti mata phalam khadati. Mother who is giving is eating a fruit. Yachantya matra phalam khadyate. No, what is the meaning here? Yachantya matra phalam khadyate. Fruit is eaten by mother who is also giving something else. Yachantya. Matra is tritiya ekavachana. You can know that. Suchayat. Last one.
Suchayantya
Swaminya.
patram sthapyate.
Suchayanti swamini patram sthapayati. Sthapayati iti kartariprayoge. Suchayantya swaminya patram sthapyate. A vessel is kept by the mistress who is indicating some such meaning is of no use here. So I again read the answers for 295. Please look. Patantya vidyarthinya ekam, dvitiyam likhantya ramaya, tritiya vadantya balikaya, chaturtha gayantya sudhaya, 5 nrutyantya nartakya, 6 shat pashyantya sushilaya, saptama yachantya matra, ashtama vakyam suchayantya swaminya. What do you say? You can write this? Not necessary. So very simple exercises. We are helping you with the meanings here and the rest is up to you. So agre saran nutanam abhyasam pashyamaha. Abhyasa sankhya asti षड्नवति उत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः 296th अभ्यास सर्वनाम शब्दैः सह शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तस्य रूपस्य तृतीयायाम् अभ्यासः. Along with the pronouns here we are going to practice the शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त. कर्मणि भावे वा परिवर्त्य वाक्यानि लिखत. Now you have to turn the sentences either into passive or into impersonal voice, and then for example,
aham hasan uktavan hasata maya uktam sah brahman geetam apadhat brahmata tena geeta apathyata.
Here aham hasan uktavan, I said it jokingly. Aham uktavan, aham katham uktavan, hasan, while laughing. Laughing means in a jocular way. I said it laughing. I said it in a joking manner. Aham hasan uktavan, gambhiryena na uktavan iti artha. Same sentence in the passive, hasata maya uktam. It was said by me while laughing. Hasata maya. Look at the pronouns in us here. Aham is becoming, watching maya. Hasan is becoming tritiya, hasata, because we have to convert into passive or bhave prayoga. So aham goes to tritiya as maya. Asan, which is pratama, Hasan is pratama, ekavachana, becomes hasata tritiya. Just now we did hasata. And uktavan is a tavatu pratyanta, past active participle this is, which becomes past passive in the passive construction. So hasata maya uktam, maya hasata uktam. It was told by me in a laughing manner, in a joke, just manner. Saha Brahman Gitam apatat. He read Gita while roaming. Saha Brahman Gitam apatat. Tena or Brahmata tena, while moving by him, Gita apathyata. Now watch here, Srinivas. Apatat is a lung prayoga. Past tense, lung, bhute lung. Saha apatat. Saha kim apatat? Gitam apatat. Katham apatat? Brahman, while moving about. He read Gita while moving about. So, Brahman becomes Tritiya, Brahmata. Gitam, Dvitiya goes to Prathama as Gita. Saha becomes Tritiya again, Tena. Brahmata, Tena, Gita. And apatat verb should be converted into past passive as apathyata. Apatyata. There is one more way of translating this apatyata, you remember? By changing into another participle, ktanta. Pathita. Gita patita. Brahmata tena Gita patita. Apatyata is equal to patita, very simple. Gita patita also can be said. Okay, here we go. We'll try to do this. Prathama vakyam patatu.
Eshaha likhan patitavan.
Eshaha likhan patitavan. Eshaha, this person, likhan, while writing, patitavan, he read. This person read while writing. What he read is immaterial here, not said. Eshaha likhan, lekhana samaye patitavan, read it. He read it while writing. Now, Eshaha goes to Tritiya. In the book Srinivas, answer book, Anena is given. Anena is not correct. That is, Anena is Idam Shabda. Whereas Eshaha is Etat Shabda. Etad. Eshaha etau eti. Tad. We have studied so many pronouns. Etat pronoun this is. Idam pronoun is given in the answer book, Anena. I made a note here. You can also see if you have. You have the book with you? Answer book?
Yes.
Anena. So better you should take either etena or enena. Enena is not that frequently used. Etena is frequently used. So eshaha should convert into etena. So likhata etena, that would be better. Likhata etena, not anena, patitam. Patitavan becomes patitam. What is read is not said. Therefore, we won't translate that. Likhata etena patitam. This was read by him while writing. 2 Srinivas. Te
Gayantaha nartitavantaha.
They danced. Te means they. Nartitavantaha danced. How? Gayantaha, while singing. They danced while singing. So, Gayad bihi. Gayantaha goes to Tritiya. Gayad bihi taihi nartitam. Gayad bihi taihi nartitam. Here we have to go very slowly, Srinivas. You have to recall the Karmani Prayoga Abhyasa. Shatru Pratyayanta is no doubt coming here, but the verbs are a bit forgotten. So, Eshaha likhan patitavan is turned into patitam. Likata etena patitam. First one. We must write this for our students' sake. Te gayantaha nartitavantaha. They danced while singing. Turns into Gayad bihi. Te becomes Tritiya pronoun taihi. nartitam means it was, again you can't translate. Taihi nartitam means they danced. It was danced by them, you can't say. So, te gayantaha nartitavantam means they danced while singing. Only the meaning comes in the passive or the bhave prayoga. 3 Srinivas. Sa
smaranti vakyam
apatat. Sa smaranti vakyam apatat. She read the sentence while remembering. She read the sentence while remembering. Smaranti vakyam apatat. Now, smarantya, sa goes to tritiya in Strilinga. Taya, smarantya taya, vakyam apatyat. Vakyam patitam. Whether vakyam patitam or apatyata. So, patitam is more comfortable. Vakyam patitam or regular verb would be apatyata. Apatyata. Smarantya taya vakyam patitam okay. Apatyata okay. 4.
Etaha gachantyah
Geetam gayanti. This is in present tense, Srinivas. Gayanti. Etaha, understood? Mahilaha, these women, these etaha balikaha, gacchantyaha, while going, Geetam gayanti, sing a song. These women, understood, sing a song while going. That is the meaning. These women or girls sing a song while going. Gacchantyaha. Gacchantyaha. So, gachat, how it goes? Gacchanti vihi. Strilinga. Gacchanti vihi etabihi. Etabihi geetam giyate. Giyate is pure passive voice. Gayati becomes giyate. Geetam giyate. And if you watch closely, the verb is gayanti, plural in kartru vachya, in active voice. It is going with etaha gayanti. Etaha, first word is agreement with gayanti. But when it comes to passive construction, geetam is subject. Gachanti bihi, etabihi, geetam is subject. Therefore, the verb is singular, passive verb. Geetam giyate. Not giyante, geetam giyate. A song is sung by these women while going. A song is sung by these women while going. Geetam giyate, etavihi. And etaha, remember, is etat shabda, pronoun, prathama, bahuvachana. Esha, ete, etaha. If you come to Tritiya, will come down, it doesn't take much time. Esha, ete, etaha, etam, ete, etaha, again etaha, etaya, etabhyam, etabihi, Tritiya, that's etabihi. So, gachanti bihi, etabihi, geetam, giyate. That is the final answer. 5.
Sahatishtam mantram ajapat.
He read out the mantra while standing. He read the mantra while standing. Tishtan mantram ajapan. He meditated the mantra upon the mantra while standing. So, tishtata, saha becomes tena. Tishtata tena. Mantra shabda is pumlinga. Mantraha ajapyata. Ajapyata. Tishtata tena mantraha ajapyata. Or jap. Okay, ajapyata. Tishtata tena mantraha ajapyata means a mantra was meditated upon by him while standing. Ajapyata. Okay, 6.
Aham chintayan vartam niveditavan.
Aham, myself, chintayan, while thinking, vartam niveditavan. I informed about the news while thinking. While thinking, I informed about the news. So, chintayata maya, vartam from Dvitiya it goes to Prathama. Chintayata maya varta nivedita. Here the regular verb is not because nivedita one is also participle and therefore another participle tanta is used in the answer. Nivedita. Nivedita means informed. Chintayata maya varta nivedita. Same meaning of course. 7th Srinivas.
वयं कार्यं कुर्वत्यः पत्रिकां पठितवत्यः.
Vayam karyam kurvatyah. We while, oh this is feminine, Strilinga Shabda. Kurvatyah. Karyam kurvatyah. Kurvati kurvatyau kurvatyah. Vayam iti Strilinge. Patrikam patitavatyah. We read the newspaper while doing the work. That is the meaning, Srinivas. We read the newspaper while doing the work. So, go ahead. Karyam kurvati bihi asmabihi. Karyam kurvati bihi asmabihi. Right? Karyam kurvati bihi asmabihi. Patrikam becomes patrika. Pathita. Pathita. Patrika is subject here. Therefore, patitavatyah is going with vayam, but in the passive construction, patrika patita. Newspaper was read by us while doing the work. 8. Tau alikatam. They wrote while reading. This is exactly in English. They wrote while reading. Tau patantau alikatam. Those two here. Tau nama dvau. Tau dvau. Purushau. Those two people. Patantau while reading. Alikatam wrote. So patantau becomes patadbhyam tabhyam tena tabhyam patadbhyam tabhyam alikhyata likitam, whatever you say, likitam alikhyata, both are same. Alikhyata is given, likitam also. Tau patantau alikatam. Because this is a regular verb, therefore you do it alikhyata only. If participle verb is used, you put it in participle tanta. 9, Srinivas.
Te khadantyai jalam.
Khadantyau.
Khadantyau jalam pitavatyau.
This is Strilinga is coming. Sate, dvivachana. Sate taha. Te, mahile, understood. Balike, understood. Khadantyau, while eating. Jalam pitavatyau, drank water. Those two women while eating drank water. So, khadanti bhyam tabhyam jalam pitam. Very simple, pitam. Yes. Khadanti bhyam tabhyam jalam pitam. Dashama vakyam.
Ete prasadayantah sambhashanam akurvan.
These people spoke while pleasing others. Okay, in a pleasing manner they spoke. Sambhashanam akurvan. So, prasadayad bihi etaihi sambhashanam akriyata. Prasadayad bihi etaihi sambhashanam akriyata. Akurvan changes to akriyata. 11.
Sa sujayanti hasitavati.
Sentence. This I like this short sentences, 8th and 11th, which are well translatable into English. Tau patanto alikatam. They wrote while reading, like that. Sa sujayanti hasitavati. She laughed while indicating. So, suchayantya taya hasitam. Suchayantya taya hasitam. This is bhave prayoga, Srinivas. Suchayantya taya hasitam. 12. Taha
Krinatyah apanam agachan.
Taha, those female. Taha mahilaha balikaha kimapi bhavatu. Krinatyah, while buying. Aapanam agachan, went to the market. Those ladies went to the market while buying. So, क्रीणति क्रीणत्या क्रीणतिभ्याम क्रीणतिभिः ताभिः आपणः, आपणः इज पुल्लिंग, आपणः अगम्यत, अगच्छत्, अगम्यत, क्रीणतिभिः ताभिः आपणः अगम्यत, but not translatable. Market was gone by, etc. They went to the market while buying. 13.
आवाम स्यूतं नयन्तौ धनं न नीतवन्तौ.
Avam, we both स्यूतं नयन्तौ dhanam na neetavantau. While carrying the bag, we both, while carrying the bag, dhanam na neetavantau, did not take the money. We were carrying the bag but did not take the money. Avam syutam nayantau dhanam na neetavantau. So, syutam, so how it goes? Syutam nayadbhyam avabhyam. Syutam nayadbhyam avabhyam dhanam na neetam. Syutam nayadbhyam avabhyam dhanam na neetam. That's it. Money was not taken by us. And the 14th.
Saha nindan marge bhramanam akarot.
Saha nindan, he while accusing on the street, marge bhramanam akarot, roamed. He roamed on the road. He roamed on the way while abusing others, nindan, criticizing others. Saha nindan marge bhramanam akarot, abhramat iti. Brahmanam akaroti. Now, nindata tena marge, brahmanam akriyata. Nindata tena marge, brahmanam akriyata. And the last one.
Vadanti aham purusham ahutavati.
This is Strilinga. Vadanti is coming, aham. So the speaker is supposed to be Strilinga here. Vadanti aham, I while speaking. English, I while speaking. Vadanti aham, purusham, a person, ahutavati, called. I called a person while speaking. I while speaking called a person. So, maya vadantya, this goes to Tutyana, maya purushaha ahutaha. Vadantya maya purushaha, prathama ekavachanam, passive voice, ahutaha. A person was invited while I was speaking. A bit difficult only it looks, but we must write them.
Yeah.
You just tell me.
Also that 290.
2 words.
293.
Strilinga.
Section 2.
4, 5.
Kurvat, Shrunvat, and then Janat.
Janat. 4, 5, 7.
Yeah.
Please tell me. Abhyasa first.
293.
Number Strilinga.
Number 4. Kurvata.
Kurvatya.
Sir, Kurvatya. Kurvatyabhyam.
Kurvatibhyam.
Kurvatyabhyam.
Uttar राहिला.
3 forms. Kurvatibhi.
Number
5. Shunvatibhyam. शृण्वतीभिः जानत्या जानतीभ्यां जानतीभिः
over
अभ्यासः 96
296. Oh, what Srinivas? I wrote for this mistake 3. This is okay. Well, right. Only one word or full?
full sentence we have to write.
My guess.
एषः लिखन् पठितवान्
एषः
लिखन् पठितवान् लिखता भवान्
लिखता एतेन
लिखता एतेन अपठ्यत
Oh, what I have done, Abhyasa is here. Okay.
ते गायन्तः नर्तितवन्तः
नर्तितवत् ते
गायन्तः
गायन्तः ओ पुल्लिंग
ते
गायद्भिः तैः नर्तितम् अनुत्यत नर्तितम् ओके
सा स्मरन्ती वाक्यम् अघटत्
स्मरन्त्या तया वार्ता
वाक्यम्
वाक्यम्
अपठत्
अपठ्यत अपठ्यत
एताः गच्छन्त्यः गीतं गायन्ति
गच्छन्तीभिः एताभिः गीतं what is in active voice
गायते
गायन्ति गीयते this is in passive voice sorry active voice giyate is sung gayanti is present tense so giyate geetam giyate 5
सः तिष्ठन् मन्त्रम् अजपत्
तिष्ठता तेन मंत्रः अजपत verb ajapat is there ajapyata okay
अहं चिन्तयन् वार्तां निवेदितवान् चिंतयता मया
चिंतय
वार्ता
वार्ता निवेदिता निवेदिता वार्ता निवेदिता
7 will take from the opposite.
या 7
वयं कार्यं कुर्वत्यः पत्रिकां पठितवत्यः
कार्यं कुर्वतीभिः अस्माभिः
पत्रिका
पत्रिका किं
पठितवत्यः
पत्रिका
पठितवत्यः
पठितवत्यः पत्रिका पठिता पठिता
तौ पठन्तौ अलिखताम्
तौ तौ पठन्तौ अलिखताम् ओके ओके पठन्त पठत् पठता पठद्भ्यां पठद्भ्यां ताभ्यां लिखित पठ what is the word
अलिखताम्
no what is the first sentence तौ पठन्तौ
अलिखताम्
अलिखताम् पठद्भ्यां ताभ्यां अलिख्यता what is लिखितम is there simply not there
अलिखताम्
अलिखताम् अलिख्यताम् अलिख्यताम् is there na not अलिखताम् हाँ अलिख्यता अलिख्यताम् अलिख्यन्त अलिख्यताम् what is that which one number alikhyata oh alikhyata is there alikhyata that's okay tanta is given alikhyata that's it because subject is not there you can come alikhyata 9
ते खादन्त्यौ जलं पीतवत्यौ
खादन्त्यो स्त्रीलिंग खादत
खादत्यः
खादति खादत खादतीभिः
ताभिः
जलं जलं
पीतवन्त्यौ
पीतं पीतं no everything is over जलं पीतं
एते प्रसादयन्तः सम्भाषणम् अकुर्वन्
एते
प्रसादयन्तः
प्रसाद प्रसादयद्भिः
एतैः
एतैः सम्भाषणं कृतम्
अक्रियत
अक्रियत
अकुर्वन्
अकुर्वन् ओके watch the verbs everywhere they are somewhat tough
सा सूचयन्ती हसितवती
सूचयन्त्या तया हसितम् हसितम् और
ताः क्रीणत्यः आपणं अगच्छन् क्रीणद्भिः ताभिः आपणम्
आपणः आपणः
अगम्यत
अगम्यत. How many more?
3.
Okay. 12-13.
आवां स्यूतं नयन्तो धनं न नीतवन्तो. स्यूतं
नयद्भिः अस्माभिः. आवाभ्यां. नयद्भ्यां. आवाभ्यां.
धनं न नीतवन्तो.
नीतम. ओके.
सः निन्दन् मार्गे भ्रमणम् अकरोत्.
निन्दता तेन
मार्गे भ्रमणम् अकुर्वत.
मार्गे अक्रियत. अकरोत् ఉందా? अक्रियत.
वदन्ति अहं पुरुषम् आहूतवती.
वदन्त्या मया पुरुषः. आहूतः. समाप्त. Just read once.
विखता एतेन अपठ्यत.
गायद्भिः तैः नर्तितं स्मरन्त्या तया वाक्यम् अपठ्यत. गच्छन्तीभिः गीतं गीयते. तिष्ठता अजप्यत. चिन्तयता मया वार्ता निवेदिता.
कार्यं कुर्वतीभिः अस्माभिः पत्रिका पठिता. पठद्भ्यां ताभ्याम् अलिख्यत. खादतीभिः ताभिः जलं पीतम्.
ओह, खादन्तीभ्यां ताभ्यां. खादति, there is a mistake, na? Ninth. ते खादन्त्यौ. ते न श्रीनिवास. पीतवत्यौ. This is स्त्रीलिंग. पीतवत्यौ. खादन्तीभ्यां ताभ्यां. खादन्ती खादन्त्या खादन्तीभ्यां. Where? खादन् खादन्तीभ्यां जलं पीतं प्रसादयद्भिः एतैः सम्भाषणम् अकृतम् क्रीणतीभिः again there is a mistake क्रीणद्भिः no we wrote what is that sentence number 12 ताः स्त्रीलिंग is there क्रीणत्यः क्रीणति क्रीणत्यौ क्रीणत्यं बहुवचन is there क्रीणतीभिः क्रीणतीभिः ताभिः
स्यूतं नयद्भ्याम्
आवाभ्यां धनं
निन्दता तेन मार्गे भ्रमणम् अक्रियत वदन्त्या मया
पुरुषः आहूतः इति शुभं भूयात्।